face, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel me late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another wig tutorial for you guys that I'll be installing tonight. It's from Yoowigs. This is the packaging that the hair came in. This is our wig. I thought it was a full brown wig. I don't know why I thought that, but it is kind of ombre. It has like the black roots. This is what the wig looks like inside. It does come with, how many clips is this? It has 4 clips in total, 3 on the top and 1 in the bottom. It also comes with an adjustable strap so you can adjust the wig onto your head. So right now I'm just trying on the wig to make sure that it fits right onto my head and making sure that I don't need to cut off any extra lace from the edges of this unit. And from the looks of it, I could already tell that I'm gonna be needing to go in and work my magic on this wig, y'all, cause okay, so I actually went ahead and glued it down with the Ghost Bomb glue because I am gonna be wearing this hair for about another week or so, and I kind of wanted like a longer hold. So like I said, I did go in and glue down my wig with the Ghost Bomb glue because I am going to be traveling this weekend and I don't want my wig to be lifting, period. Your girl is going to Dubai, y'all. So look out for some bomb ass pictures. But yeah, I don't want my wig to be lifting, period. So I glued it down. I did use 3 layers of the Ghost Bomb glue. I let it dry clear before I applied my wig, and my wig is literally melted into my skin. And now I'm just taking some mousse to help lay my wig down flat. I am giving myself a side part, and I always use mousse on my units just to help with laying my wigs down flat onto my head whenever I'm done parting it. And I'm just combing it out to make sure that everything is laying flat and nice. And then I take my blow dryer on cool and I just let that mousse dry. Now I'm just going in and tweaking the front of this unit a little bit. I'm adding some baby hairs to it. And then after, I'm just going to take my flat iron and make sure that everything is straight and nice. Now I'm just going to read you guys all the details and specs on this hair. So like I said, this hair is from Yoowigs. This is their Royal Dream Lace Pre-plucked Ombre unit. This is a 360 lace frontal wig with baby hairs. The cut type that I got is a 360 lace wig. The hair length is a 22-inch. Density is 180. The lace color is their Royal Dream Lace. The hairline is pre-plucked, and also the knots does come bleached. And as you guys can see, I did not need to go in with any additional foundation like I usually do to add to the lace, just because the knots already came bleached, so it looked really natural once I laid it down. It's really pretty. Also, the lace was really easy to work with. The lace was really easy to work with. Also, the knots did come bleached, and the customization on the frontal itself of this unit was really easy to customize. Also, I do want to mention that this is a 360 lace front wig, so you can go ahead and pin this unit up if you'd like to. I am going to show you guys how you can pin it up. Now I'm just grabbing all the hair and pulling it back. I'm literally like just pulling everything back into a ponytail like I would usually do with my natural hair. And then I'm just going to add some more mousse to the front of this unit just to make sure everything is slicked back nicely. One thing I must say about their 360 lace front wigs is that they already come to where once you put it onto your head, the only part that you really need to hold down would be the front of your unit. But for the back part of this unit, all I did was like just playing the hair around the nape area, and that was it. I didn't need to hold down anything in the back there, as you guys will see once I'm done and I turn my head around. And just as far as me adding any sort of adhesive to the back of my units, it's just something I won't do, just because Honestly, I have good hair on my head. I'm not trying to pull out the little good hair that I have in the back of my head. So I just don't ever add any adhesive behind there. So the bright side about these 360 units is that once you lay it down onto your head, the back of the wig itself blends right in with my natural hair. So I rarely ever have to do much in the back there. I usually just pull out the hair going around the edges of this unit. And yeah, it blends right in, you guys. Like right now, this unit looks so much like it's growing out of my scalp. And usually, you guys know I always have to go in and apply foundation to my units. This one, I did not have to add any foundation, period, to the lace to make it blend or make it look natural. I didn't have to do anything whatsoever. So I really like that. Yeah, the hair is really soft. This wig, I really like the color actually. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the details and info will be listed down below in the description box as usual. If I have a coupon code, that also will be listed down below. So just check the description box for all the details on this specific unit. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you are not subscribed already so you will not miss any of my uploads. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.